This is the annual do-it-yourself colon cancer kit. So if your doctor's offered you one of these, here's how it works. This is a lot better than having the Roto-Rooter shoved up your butt to do this every year in the privacy of your own home. So you get this little container kit, and it's got a little swabby type of thing on it. And then here's how it goes. Put the date on it. When you wipe your butt, you use this little stick that's in here to grab a poop sample off of the toilet paper. I should say, if you've done one of these in the past, they used to have a big piece of paper that you're supposed to poop on and then wipe it up and then figure out what to do with the poop later. So this is actually technological advancement. They figured out that you can just wipe it, swipe it, cap it, mail it. And that's really all there is to it. And then they let you know at the end. My doctor has the phone app, so I just go on the phone app and it tells me if I'm going to die or not, if I've got cancer, or if I have clean poop. So super easy. I totally recommend it versus doing it the old-fashioned dirty way. I've actually never done it the old-fashioned dirty way. They just offered me this. They mail it to your house. So all you do is sit home, wipe your butt, swipe it, cap it, and mail it. I'm not going to demonstrate that or that on here. I probably should get an OnlyFans page for that, but I currently don't have one. So you're just going to have to believe me that that's what you do is wipe it, swipe it, cap it, mail it. And that's how you do your own colon cancer test from home.